Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether a given value is a number in JavaScript. Numbers are one of the most commonly used data types in programming, but not all values that look like numbers are actually numbers. Let's explore an efficient way to determine if a value is truly a number. While typeof correctly identifies numbers, it wrongly classifies NaN as a number. To handle this, we use the special property of NaN. It is the only value that is not equal to itself. This function first checks if the type is number, ensuring it is a numeric type. Then, it excludes NaN by verifying val is strictly equal to val, since NaN is the only value that is not equal to itself. This ensures we only accept valid numbers. This approach ensures that we correctly identify numbers while filtering out invalid values like 9 and 42. The extra val is strictly equal to val check is a simple but effective safeguard. This function correctly identifies valid numbers while filtering out non-numeric values and edge cases like NaN. By combining typeof and val being strictly equal to val, we can accurately distinguish between valid and invalid numbers. This function is widely used in data validation, mathematical operations, and API handling. It ensures that functions receive valid numeric inputs, preventing unexpected behaviors and errors. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to distinguish numbers from non-numeric values, ensuring data integrity in JavaScript applications. This method is useful in validating user input, handling API data, and preventing calculation errors. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.